Hey there, Gear Choice fans. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best in biking tech and all things gear related. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave us a comment down below letting us know what electric bike you want us to review next. And of course, don't forget to share this video with all your biking buddies. Today we've got something that's sure to turn heads: the Super e-bike ZX. This electric fat bike packs a punch with its powerful motor, sleek design, and all the features you need for an epic ride. Whether you're hitting the trails, cruising the city, or just looking for a fun way to get around, this bike is something you don't want to miss. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the frame. The Super e-bike ZX is built with a lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy frame. It's designed to handle tough conditions and give you a solid ride whether you're on the road or off the beaten path. Next up, the wheels. You'll notice these 20-inch fat tires perfect for off-road adventures, and they make this bike incredibly versatile. Whether you're cruising over gravel, sand, or snow, these tires will keep you steady and in control. Now let's talk power. The 750W rear hub motor is brushless, which means it's efficient and provides you with smooth acceleration. This motor has a max speed of 45 km/h, that's roughly 28 miles per hour, fast enough to keep up with traffic but still safe for off-road riding. It also delivers a torque of 80 to 90 Nm, giving you plenty of power to tackle steep hills and rough terrain. Powering this beast is a 48V13Ah lithium battery, which gives you a range of 40 to 60 km on a single charge. That's about 25 to 37 miles, depending on the terrain and riding conditions. It charges fully in about 6 hours, so you can easily juice it up overnight and be ready for your next adventure. The Super e-bike ZX also features a 7-speed gear system to give you smooth shifting, whether you're going uphill or cruising on flat terrain. The disc brakes provide solid stopping power, and the motor's rear hub positioning ensures the bike is well balanced and easy to control. And if you're wondering about comfort, the Super e-bike ZX doesn't disappoint. The wide, cushy 4-inch fat tires provide a smooth, stable ride even on uneven surfaces, and the overall design is built for riders up to 150 kg, making it perfect for just about anyone. Motor 750W brushless rear hub motor. Battery 48V13Ah lithium battery. Max speed 45 km/h, 28 mph. Range 40 to 60 km per charge. Brakes, disc brakes for solid stopping power. Gears, 7-speed for smooth shifting. Weight 41 kg, 90 lbs. Tires 20-inch 4.0 fat tires. Charge time 6 hours. To recap, here's everything you need to know about the Super e-bike ZX. It has a powerful 750W brushless motor, a long-lasting 48V13Ah battery with up to 60 km of range, a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, disc brakes for maximum safety, and fat tires that make it easy to tackle all kinds of terrain. I've been riding this bike for a few days now, and let me tell you, the experience is fantastic. It handles rough terrain with ease, and on smooth roads, it feels like gliding. The fat tires really help with traction, and the motor gives me just the right amount of boost when I need it. The Super e-bike ZX is not only fun to ride but also practical for day-to-day use. It's got the power to get you where you need to go and the comfort to make every ride enjoyable. So, what do you think? Is the Super e-bike ZX the ultimate electric fat bike for you? Let us know in the comments below if this is something you'd like to try or if you have any questions about the bike. And remember, if you like this review, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We've got tons more bike reviews and gear-related content coming your way. Thanks for watching Gear Choice, and until next time, keep on pedaling.